Hey, it's Joanne. So I wanted to show you these really nice TV tray folding tables that really have been perfect for our home. It's a nice blend of functionality and style. The set comes with 4 folding tables and a space-saving storage. I have the walnut finish, but there are other options that you can choose from. We use these while enjoying dinner in front of the TV, or we can work on our tablets or our laptops. And we have company come, my sisters come, and my mom. We sit around at the dining room table and play cards, and we use this as extra space for our drinks and such. It's really been a great find, and it's really convenient and easy to use. Lots of space on the tabletop for your work needs if you want to work on it or eating dinner. The base is real convenient, so we can just collapse the tables and put it on the base, makes it clutter-free and space-saving. The stand is about 26 inches tall, and it really is perfect for what we need. It's great for hosting guests, for working from home, dinner. We love them.